Revolutionize your workflow with our ChatGPT tool for Google Sheets. Welcome to this video, where we'll introduce you to our game-changing tool that seamlessly integrates ChatGPT with Google Sheets, even without access to the OpenAI API. If you've been struggling with limited access, difficult setup, and the need for an efficient solution, you're in the right place. And currently, OpenAI API is actually down, so no one can use the API to utilize it for their workflow. So let's dive into how our tool can revolutionize the workflow. You may be facing one of these common challenges: limited or no access to OpenAI API, difficulty setting up and integrating ChatGPT into your workflow and Google Sheets. They need for an easy to use, efficient solution. We understand that gaining access to ChatGPT for API can be slow as waiting for a baby to be born. That's why we built this tool specifically for those who need a powerful alternative to perform at their best, and you need to. By integrating our ChatGPT tool into your Google Sheets, you can expect easy access to ChatGPT without needing an OpenAI API, seamless integration with Google Sheets, a versatile tool that you can do multiple of tasks: clean up data, text classification, sentiment analysis, translation, summarization, data generation, and much more. Just unleash your creativity and surprise us. If you're worried about the setup process, compatibility, or effectiveness, let us put your mind at ease. Our tool takes less than 60 seconds to set up, comes with a comprehensive walkthrough video, and offers dedicated support to guide you through each step. Furthermore, it's designed to work seamlessly with the widely used and compatible Google Sheets. By choosing our ChatGPT tool, you're making a smart investment in addition to a solution that will elevate your workflow, boost efficiency, and save you time, effort, and resources. Join us today and revolutionize the way you work with Google Sheets. And as you can see, while I was talking, ChatGPT finished all those prompt questions that you can create, and just sit back and relax. See you.